Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another baby dinosaur. This time it's gonna be a baby Triceratops. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this baby dinosaur, and we're gonna begin by drawing the eyes first. So we're just gonna draw one circle. So this part's nice and easy. And I'm gonna add in one little circle inside. That's gonna be my highlight, and I'll just shade around it. Okay, so once we have this eyeball here, we're gonna draw in one of the horns. So just go straight up right here. Just draw a little U shape, just one little curve. And now we're gonna go all the way up for the tip. I'm gonna curve in this side. And then just come back down, just round out the top. Just come back down and connect to the bottom. Okay, so once we have this, we're gonna draw in the front portion, the skull area. So just come right around here. I'm just gonna curve all the way down to right about here. Okay, I know it looks really weird, but once we fill in the rest of the stuff, it'll look like a dinosaur. We're gonna stop right here. We're gonna draw one little curve here going this way, and we're gonna draw this horn first. Okay, so one little curve this way. Now we're gonna go out this way, and then come back to here. Okay, so once we have this, we're gonna continue on with the mouth area right here and the snout. Just one little curve going down. We're gonna come back all the way here. We can make one little line here. That's gonna be the corner of the mouth right there. Okay, so come down, curve. It's almost like a little S curve. Come back to here. I know it's a little bit tricky with these proportions here. Okay, so once you have this, come to the middle of this curve. Just draw one big U shape like this. Go back to the corner. That's going to be the mouth. From the bottom here, curve to right around here. And then on this part, come down and then go back up. We'll stop right here. Okay, and since we're down here, let's go ahead and finish up his little tongue inside. So just one little curve like this for the inside of the mouth. Alright, so once you have this, let's go ahead and finish up the horn. We got one more in the back right here. Start on this corner. Just go up. And then just come back down. It's going to be right behind the head. Okay, so yeah, this part's a little bit tricky, right? Because you have all this stuff just kind of floating around. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. Okay, so now let's draw in the back right here. So we just gotta draw these little curves all the way around. Let's start on the bottom right here. This will give us a nice reference point. Just gonna draw one line going out. Let's round that out. Now we're gonna start on the top right here. Curve. And now whatever space you have here, we'll just keep drawing these little bumps. Let's go all the way around. Maybe I could draw two more in here. Okay, so don't worry if yours is not exactly the same, as long as you have just some little bumps. That'll be fine. Alright, so that's the head, and the body's a little bit easier to draw. Okay, so let's come down here. Let's start right here. Draw one curve coming down. Come in, and then just go back up slightly. Now I'm going to draw one little curve here. This is going to be, I guess, the belly area. Now I'm going to draw the other leg. Come down, round it out, and then just go up. So those are going to be the front legs. So we're right around here. Alright, and then now for the hind legs. So I'm just going to I'll draw in the belly later. Just come back over here. Just gonna draw one big curve like this first. Okay, come across, same thing as this. And then this one's just gonna go back up. Now we can finish up the belly area. Just continue with this curve. Back here, just go up. And then lastly, now we can draw in the tail. So the tail is gonna go all the way out. So let's start right around, let's see, the eye area. Just come across, you can make a little point. Now we're just gonna curve this over the hind legs right here. Now we're gonna go back out. And you can make it longer if you like. Start back here. Just go all the way out here and just round out the little tip. All right, and if you want to add in, let's see, if you're adding some texture on the body, just gonna add in a few of these circles. And that is it for this baby Triceratops. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.